Have you ever noticed how a praying mantis seems to stare right into your soul? No matter where you move, its tiny black pupil follows you everywhere. It's almost unsettling, like it knows something you don't. But here's the twist, it's not really looking at you the way you think. The secret lies in something called a pseudopupil. When you look closely at a mantis's enormous, alien-looking compound eyes, you'll see a small, dark spot. That pupil isn't real, it's an optical illusion created by the way light enters their eye. But here's the freaky part. No matter where you stand, that black spot seems to shift and lock onto you. That's why it feels like the mantis is always watching. And maybe that's why the praying mantis has always carried an eerie reputation. Think about it, those folded front arms, almost like it's praying, paired with that hypnotic stare. It's no wonder different cultures have considered the mantis a symbol of mystery, patience, and even supernatural powers. In ancient Greece, people believed the mantis could show lost travelers the way home. In Africa, some tribes considered it a sacred creature, almost like a messenger from the spirit world. And in China, the mantis was admired as a symbol of patience and deadly precision. But beyond the myths, the science is even cooler. Praying mantises are the only insects with true 3D vision. That's right. Most insects see the world as a flat canvas of motion and shapes. But mantises? They can judge depth, distance, and angles just like us humans. In fact, scientists have tested this by putting tiny 3D glasses on mantises, yes, real miniature glasses, to study how they see the world. The results were mind-blowing. Their vision rivals that of some birds and reptiles. And they need it for hunting. A mantis doesn't chase. It waits. Perfectly camouflaged among leaves, swaying gently like twigs in the wind, the mantis becomes invisible. And when the prey, maybe a fly or a cricket, gets close enough, that's when it happens. Those spiked arms shoot out at lightning speed, faster than the blink of an eye. In one swift motion, the prey is trapped, unable to escape. The mantis then begins to eat, often starting while its prey is still alive. Ruthless, efficient, terrifying. But here's something most people don't know. Mantises don't just eat insects. Some larger species have been observed taking down frogs, lizards, snakes, and even small birds. Imagine a bug grabbing a hummingbird mid-flight. That's the power of a mantis. And that creepy stare is a part of the reason they're so effective. They can lock onto moving prey with extreme accuracy, calculating distance like a living predator drone. Combine that with the fact that mantises can turn their heads almost 180 degrees, something incredibly rare in the insect world, and you've got a creature that seems aware of your every move. Now, here's a fun but slightly disturbing fact. Mantises have also become famous for their mating habits. The female is notorious for sometimes eating the male during or after mating. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine being so terrifying that even romance turns into a survival test. Scientists believe this brutal behavior might actually benefit the female, giving her extra nutrients to help produce more eggs. For the male? Well, talk about the ultimate bad date. But maybe that's why the praying mantis is so fascinating. It blurs the line between beauty and horror. Its posture looks calm, prayerful, almost elegant. But its actions? Pure predator. So, is the mantis really staring at you? Not exactly. It's an illusion created by physics, biology, and the way light interacts with its unique eyes. But here's the thing. When you feel those unblinking eyes following you, part of your brain still wonders if this insect knows more than it lets on. Next time you see one, don't be afraid. Instead, admire it. You're looking at one of the most advanced hunters nature has ever designed. An insect with vision that rivals ours, reflexes that outmatch us, and a stare that feels almost otherworldly. Because when it comes to the praying mantis, one thing is certain. It may not be staring into your soul, but it definitely sees more than you think. Direct hit extended outro for engagement, 7-minute mark. So what do you think? Is the praying mantis one of nature's creepiest creatures? Or one of the most amazing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's deep dive into the world of the mantis, please hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more nature mysteries. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing animal facts, hidden biology secrets, and the strangest creatures you never knew existed. Click the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And hey, share this video with a friend who thinks insects are boring. After this, they'll never look at a praying mantis the same way again.